Hey parents! I know that when your child gets hurt, it can feel like the weight of the world is on your shoulders. Dealing with your child's injury can be incredibly stressful, especially when you're trying to navigate the legal system to ensure they get the care and compensation they deserve. So, let's make this easier to understand together. We'll break down the process step by step so you can feel more confident and informed. First off, if your child gets injured in California, their personal injury case works a bit differently than for adults. This is because minors are considered legally incapable of representing themselves in court. You, as a parent or guardian, need to act on their behalf. This means you'll be the one to file the lawsuit and make decisions regarding the case. The good news is that the court is there to make sure your child's best interests are front and center. Judges are particularly vigilant when it comes to cases involving minors. Now let's talk about attorney fees. Legal costs can be a major concern for families, but in California, there are specific limits on what attorneys can charge in cases involving minors. These limits are designed to protect your child's settlement from being eaten up by legal fees. This ensures that the majority of the compensation goes directly to your child's care and future needs. This is designed to protect your child's settlement from being eaten up by legal fees. Pretty reassuring, right? Knowing that the law is on your side can provide some peace of mind during this challenging time. When it comes to settlements, the court has to approve any agreement reached. This is to ensure that the settlement is fair and in the best interest of your child. Once the settlement is approved, the money is usually placed in a blocked account. This means the funds are protected until your child turns 18, ensuring that the money is used for their benefit. This means the funds are protected until your child turns 18. The blocked account acts as a safeguard, making sure the money is there when your child needs it most. But what if you need that money earlier for your child's care or support? Life can be unpredictable and sometimes immediate financial needs arise. You can actually petition the court to release some of those funds before your child turns 18. This process involves demonstrating to the court why the early release of funds is necessary and how it will benefit your child. The court will consider whether it's in your child's best interest. Judges will carefully review the circumstances to ensure that the early release of funds is justified and will be used appropriately. Now, let's talk about getting professional help. Navigating the legal system can be complex, and having an experienced attorney can make a significant difference. The law office of Norman Gregory Fernandez has been handling these kinds of cases for almost 3 decades. Their extensive experience means they know the ins and outs of the legal system and can provide the guidance you need. They've got an impressive 98% success rate. This high success rate is a testament to their dedication and expertise in handling personal injury cases involving minors. And the best part? There's no money out of your pocket unless they recover for you. This no-win, no-fee arrangement means you can pursue justice for your child without worrying about upfront legal costs. So you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. With the right legal support, you can focus on your child's recovery while your attorney handles the legal complexities. If you're dealing with this situation, visit their website at thepersonalinjury.com. The website offers a wealth of information and resources to help you understand your options and take the next steps. They're here to help you and your child get through this challenging time. The support and expertise of a dedicated legal team can make a world of difference. Remember, your child's well-being is the top priority. Ensuring they receive the care and compensation they deserve is crucial for their recovery and future. So take a deep breath, you've got this. With the right information and support, you can navigate this challenging time with confidence. All right, that's it for today. I hope this information has been helpful and has provided some clarity on how to handle your child's personal injury case in California. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourselves and your little ones. See you next time. Remember, you're not alone in this journey, and there are resources and professionals ready to help you every step of the way.
You may call us 7 days a week, 24 hours a day on our California Personal Injury Hotline at 800-816-1529. Or go to callnorman.com now.
Callnorman.com. Car accident, slips and falls. There's just one place you should call. Callnorman.com.